Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your girl Simple Sassy. So today I will be trying the Painless individual crochet illusion, and I'll be going the easy route, which is no box braid, just adjustable, painless and easy method. If you are a person that struggles with pains whenever you do your hair, or if you're a person that is on the go always, this method is for you. It is very adjustable. It's like a wig. You can take it off whenever you feel. So if you are new, please go ahead and subscribe now. Like this video. If you are a returning subscriber, please like this video, share. I want to reach the 1K, guys. I am actually at 500 subscriber. You know, the threshold is 1,000 subscribers, so please watch the videos, like them, comment, and please share. I really want to make this work. So without further ado, let us just get right into this video. So first, I am going to begin by parting out a small section at the front of my hair to create my illusion. Now I will be using my wax gel to gather my edges. To create my illusion, I'll be creating a row of small partitions at the front, and I'll be taking my elastic band to secure my partition. To have my mesh caps perfectly seated on my head, I will be getting rid of my afro. So what I'll be doing, I'll be creating some loose cornrows. Now I will be moving right into my adjustable technique, and I'll be using my black mesh cap to cover the loose cornrows. Today's video is sponsored by Yesigo, and they have sent me 8 packs of 12-inch passion twist with the color of 1B/350. I really like this hair because the loops are wider and they are free. I mean, they are easily open. Normally the loops would be tighter and it will be a difficult thing to just open them to get the crochet on the hair, but with Yesigo it is different. I'm able to open the loop. There's no struggling open the loop, so I must say that this hair is a good hair. For those my viewers who are not able to crochet, this is how you crochet. You push the needle through the hair, attach the hair onto the needle and pull it through. Open the loop of the passion twist, pull through the end of the passion twist and create that knot. So it has reached the time where we need to crochet the hair onto the net. So for this section, guys, you don't want to have the needle going through the cornrows, because remember, you're doing the adjustable technique. So what you need to do is to crochet the hair through the net and not your cornrows. So you go push the needle underneath the mesh, hook the hair onto the needle, and then you pull it through and continue your crochet process. Please ensure that all the open space are filled with crochet, else you'll have the hairs being spaced out and you don't want that to happen. So please ensure that all the open areas where the net is covered. If you don't want to use the adjustable technique and you want to secure the cap from sliding from your head, what you need to do is to crochet through the hair and the band. So this is a video that I got on YouTube from one of the videos that I watched on this tutorial, and what she actually did is to crochet the hair, right? Crochet the hair through the cap and the cornrows to secure it. So if you don't want to use the adjustable method, you can simply do this.